Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to change your background in Zoom. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. Now let's start. So first, you have to launch or open your Zoom application. Go to the search menu, type Zoom. You can tap on Run as Administrator, or you can also tap Open. And this is what it looks like. Now you have to wait for a couple of seconds and you have your option right here on how to start. You can tap on new meeting. For this one, it could be you are the host. Okay, you have your meeting ID. For join, if someone gave you a link and you need to attend, you need to join, then basically you just have to add the link right here or the Zoom meeting ID. Now this is what it looks like. Make sure that you're connected to the correct camera. And then you have to tap that one, scroll down, go to video settings. Now under video settings, you have to simply look for background and effects. Tap this one. Then you can also choose between this one if you have your green screen, if you don't have one. But of course, it is highly suggested that you must have your green screen with you in order for you to choose whatever background effect that you want right here and not that pretty obvious that you are just using a background effect. So if you have your green screen, that would be better. So this is what it looks like if you choose from any of this background right here. So here, let's tap I have my green screen or toggle this one on and you can now choose whatever background effect that you want here on your Zoom. And that's how you basically change it. You can also add an image here and set this as your background image or background here in your Zoom. You just have to click this one and then locate the folder, for example, downloads. Now select that specific picture right here that you want to use as your background here in Zoom. And here it is. Okay, so basically that's it. You can choose from their gallery or you can choose from your gallery. After that, you can now start your call here on your Zoom. And this is what it looks like and this is how it appears. So that's how easy it is to change your background in Zoom. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.